Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest tech gadgets that can change your life. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible product that's been making waves in the AI world, the ASUS Ascent GX10 personal AI supercomputer. Now, before I get too hyped, let me tell you that this thing is not for the faint of heart. It's a beast of a machine that can give you petaFLOP scale AI performance on your desktop. But trust me, it's worth it. The ASUS Ascent GX10 is like having a personal supercomputer at home, and I'm about to break down why. First off, let's talk about the brain of this operation, the NVIDIA GB10 Superchip. This thing is a powerhouse that delivers 1 petaFLOP of AI performance, which means it can handle complex tasks like image recognition and natural language processing with ease. And with 128 gigabytes of memory for fine-tuning models, you can train your own AI models without breaking the bank. But, here's the thing, most people don't know what petaFLOP scale means, so let me explain it in simple terms. It basically means this supercomputer is ridiculously fast at doing math, which makes it perfect for tasks like image recognition and language translation. Think of it like a super smart robot that can do millions of calculations per second. Now, I know what you're thinking, how does it work? Well, the ASUS Ascent GX10 has a special platform designed specifically for AI developers. It's called Developer Optimized, which means it's been tailored to help developers build secure and long-running workflows. And with compatibility across frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw, you can use any framework you want without worrying about compatibility issues. But what really gets me excited is the scalability of this thing. With NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication, you can connect multiple GX10 units together to create a massive AI supercomputer that's unmatched in performance and reliability. It's like having a team of mini supercomputers working together in perfect harmony. And let's not forget about the thermal design. The ASUS Ascent GX10 has an advanced cooling system that ensures sustained high performance without overheating, even when running demanding tasks for extended periods. This means you can use this supercomputer all day and night without worrying about it shutting down on you. But, here's the thing, with great power comes great responsibility. Some people might worry about accessibility and energy consumption, but let me tell you that the ASUS Ascent GX10 is designed to be accessible to anyone. It has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for developers of all skill levels to use, and the energy consumption is surprisingly low given its raw power. In fact, with the NVIDIA GB10 Superchip, you can get up to 200 billion model fine-tunings on a single system, which means you can train your own AI models without relying on cloud services or expensive hardware. That's right. This supercomputer can help you unlock local AI breakthroughs that were previously out of reach. So what does it all mean? In simple terms, the ASUS Ascent GX10 is a game-changer for anyone looking to tap into the power of AI. With its developer-optimized platform, scalable architecture, and advanced thermal design, it's the perfect tool for developers, AI researchers, and data scientists alike. And if you're as excited as I am about this supercomputer, you can get your hands on one right now by checking out the link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock local AI breakthroughs and join the AI revolution.